you guys? It's your girl Amanda. I go by Mandarin here on my social channels, and welcome back to my channel if you're a subscriber. If you are new, I hope that you will subscribe if you like beauty and fashion videos, because that is what I do here on this channel. So this week I'm going to be putting this video out a little bit sooner than I usually would. I am on a schedule of weekly uploads, but I think this week we're gonna have 2 uploads because I'm very excited, because you're gonna want to stick around to the end of this video because there is going to be a giveaway in this video, and all the information is going to be at the very end of the video, so make sure to stick around. So that brings me to the topic of today's video, which is luxury for less from AliExpress. So today we're doing a bougie on a budget haul. These are luxury inspired or replicated designer items from AliExpress. If you're not familiar with AliExpress, it's basically just a wholesale seller from China. If you order anything from their site, it takes usually about a month or 2. Because of COVID, some of these packages I got, literally I waited 4 months to get. So smash like for my persistence and being very patient to make this video for you guys today. I feel like I have to make a disclaimer as well. If you guys don't like inspired or knockoff luxury items, just go ahead and get out of this video. I actually do have some actual authentic luxury purchases and unboxings on my channel if that is a little bit more up your alley. I personally am kind of a little best of both worlds girl. I understand that not everybody can spend the money to get these looks, and this video at the end of the day is just for fun. I'm not telling you guys to go out and buy these replicated items, but if this is something that you enjoy, you're definitely going to want to stick around, since we do just live in a world of such fast and changing trends. This is just a way that I think a lot of people like to keep up. So enough of my rambling. If you're still here, you're probably somebody that's very interested in this video, so I'm going to go ahead and start the unboxing. So the very first item I have here, I actually did open up because I was very excited to check it out. So I just wanted to show you guys it does just come in this gray packaging from China. And what I got here, it just came in this little plastic bag. And as you guys can see, we have a Louis Vuitton inspired item here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. Ta-da! So this is supposed to be the Nano Speedy, like Louis Vuitton does sell. For the real one, this one does retail for over $1,000, and it's just such a tiny little trendy piece. Maybe to some people this is a timeless piece. If I end up falling in love with this piece, maybe I would buy the real one day. Okay, so this is what the bag is looking like. I kind of am disappointed in the way that the straps are like super bent and weird from how they were packaged, but if we take a closer look at it, the seller did say that these are real leather, so I'm guessing that they will darken over time, just like the real one. But this is what the bag looks like, and if you guys own this bag, I would love you guys to tell me if this looks like the real thing. And girl, if you know me, you see me rocking this, mind your business. So here is what the bag looks like. I know everything is quite bright on camera right now, but it does have like the yellow stitching. Even the hardware, it does have the LVs on it. I'm trying not to blind you guys, just turn down the brightness a little bit to see. The zipper looks like this. It is a matte hardware. It's actually pretty heavy. And the zipper's like actually really smooth on this, which I'm really surprised about. And the glazing on here is actually a nice cherry red. It's coming off pretty bright on camera, but it's actually a really pretty spot on glazing. The only thing that I noticed right away about this bag that's different than my like authentic bags is that the monogram is way more on the orange side, where the authentics, at least that I have, are more almost like green toned. I'm gonna compare it for you. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing on the double zip, I will leave it above for you to check it out later, but you can see that this is an authentic piece, and this is from AliExpress. And you can see that the authentic one has much more of a greenish undertone. But other than that, the The monogram seems to be like spot on, like it's one continuous piece on the AliExpress, so it's upwards on the side, it wraps around, and it's backward on the side, which is correct. So I'm pretty impressed with the actual logos. Just the coloring is a little bit different, and that is just something spot on. But of course, if somebody asks me, is this bag fake or real, like, I'm gonna tell you guys this is a fake bag. And real quickly, this is what it looks like on. Obviously the strap needs to kind of straighten out a little bit. I am 5'4.5", and it hits me a little bit low. I think I would kind of like to wear that maybe on the side, and then obviously you can wear it as a top handle. I don't know, I think it's super duper cute. Besides the logos, obviously the dust bag's not going to be super high quality. This one kind of feels really cheap in comparison to like the real ones, but it will help keep the dust off. So if you want to use it, you can. And it is kind of just like a nice little touch. So let's just move on to the next item. Okay, so we are now moving on to the next item. This is actually an accessory for one of my other bags. If you guys are bag lovers, you've probably heard of the Samorga bag organizers. A lot of people use them for bags like the Neverfull or the Speedy from Louis Vuitton because they're basically like dark pits and you need something to kind of organize your products in it. So I got this nice red one for my Speedy 25. And on the inside there's also Velcro, so you can kind of Velcro the inner part right in there or decide to take it out. So if you decide to have it in there, it's not really gonna move around in the bag. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and put it in the Speedy 25 to see how it fits. So it looks like if you put it in there, fold it up, and then stick it in, it'll fit. I've never done this before, so I'm not sure.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so now I can show you inside this pit. Now I have some organization. I'm really excited to utilize this bag a little bit more, and it also helps it keep its structure. Yeah, I feel like the bag has a little bit better structure now when you just have it like sitting. So I'm really excited about that, and I think that that's a really cheap alternative to some of the more expensive organizers right now. The only problem is you're gonna have to wait a little bit of time for it to ship to you. Okay, so the next item is a little itty bitty item, and the label on it says it's the wrong thing, so I'm really hoping it's the right one. What I bought is a Luxe phone case, and it says it's the XR, and I have the just X, so if it's wrong, I don't know. Okay, I'm really excited because I got it right. This is a little LV inspired phone case. It comes with a matching pop socket, which is so cool. You just put that over the LV. So I just put it on my phone, and it's super cute. LV is my favorite brand. I definitely feel like I need a bag that's pink monogram now, but it feels like really nice quality. Like, I would say this is like a plastic, but it has like the pebbled leather design. And one thing that I always look for, even in like cheaper phone cases, is it is raised around the camera. So if you drop it, your camera will be a little bit more protected. I wouldn't say that this is going to be like a super protective case, but I do think that it's pretty decent, and I will make sure to obviously leave the prices for everything as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the last and final item, and one of these items in this bag is actually going to be one of the giveaway items that I'm going to be giving to one of you guys. So speaking of trendy bags, this bag is just amazing to me. Like, when I saw it, I just immediately wanted it. I did originally plan to get these before like mid-summer so that we could wear these more in the summer, because they are like super girly. Let me show you. So here is mine, and yours is going to be exactly the same. It's exactly the same color. It is a second matching one, so we can be twinning, y'all. Ooh, I will say the smell is really strong though. I just want to warn you. I need to air that out. The Jacquemus bag, or Jacquemus, this is a little bent. Gotta kind of bend it out. But this was supposed to be like really close to the original, so that's why I want to get two, one for me and one for you. I guess a lot of them on AliExpress are spelt wrong. Forgive me if I'm saying it wrong, but it's the Jacquemus or Jacquemus bag. And these are honestly so iconic because they're just tiny and ridiculous. This isn't the super mini one. There's one that's even smaller than this that is ridiculous. I've actually seen a picture of it like with a girl in her ponytail. I don't know, I'll insert it, but it's hilarious. Like honestly, this bag is so tiny. It couldn't even hold the I give. Oh my gosh, it's so stylish and so cute though. I gotta make this straight. But look how cute this is. And literally want to show you, like, it's so small that you could not even fit your phone in it. It's like it's like the least useful bag ever, and that's why everyone loves it. Oh, you can fit your lipstick in it. Okay, let's go. Maybe if it's going downward. There's literally one smaller than this. I can't get over it. This bag is just so ridiculous that I needed to have it, and I almost am like inclined to get the actual one, but I love this color. As you can see, I have kind of a pink theme going on today, and I absolutely love pink. And you can also just hold it as a little top handle, and the straps are removable, and I got us the pink crocodile style one. This is just gonna be timeless. I'll be wearing this next summer. I don't care when it's out of style or if it gets out of style. This is just one of those bags that are just so ridiculous that you have to have it, and that's why I got one for you guys. So I will be personally sending this out, super cute and everything, for the winner. So let me tell you guys how you can win this bag. The rules are super duper easy. I want this to go to somebody who supports me in my channel. I really have this goal of getting to 500 subscribers. Maybe I'll do another giveaway when we get to that point. So if you want to enter, all you gotta do is like this video and make sure you are, of course, subscribed to my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check out the link to my Instagram below. You have to also be following my beauty Instagram. And comment below your Instagram so that I can check if you are following me. I'm gonna put everyone's Instagram handles in a box or something, and I'm actually going to handpick it on live 1 week from the day that I upload this video. So go ahead and check out the upload date, and 7 days from the day that I upload this video, you guys are going to be seeing me on Instagram live picking the winner, and I will be mailing this bag out to you, no cost to you, so we can both rock this bag together. And I do want to let you guys know this is only open to members of the USA. This is my first giveaway, so I'm not ready to deal with the international quite yet, but I would love to do that in the future if I do have international followers at all. But my following is pretty small. I'm pretty sure it says most of you guys are from the US anyways, so go ahead and make sure to do those steps if you want to enter this. And of course, I'm also going to be leaving these steps down below in the description bar if you already forgot one of them. But make sure to leave a nice comment below. Maybe tell me why you would love this bag, and also insert your Instagram handle so that you can be entered. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's AliExpress Luxe for Less video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, if it's one of the videos that you are interested in, and let me know if I should do more of these. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.